So it looks like our clone is finished already. It was pretty quick. We're going to go ahead and click finish. We can close out Aomi. Let's check. Okay, sure enough, we do have an F drive here now, which appears to have Windows on it, but as you can see, we're still going to be booting from the Windows C drive, which is the eMMC, the slow built-in internal drive. So what I've done next is I went into the BIOS and changed the boot order, so you can either restart the computer and find out what special keystroke it takes for you to do that, or another way you can do it is click your start menu, type settings, click that, go to update and security, go to recovery, go to restart now, go to troubleshoot, advanced options, and then go to UEFI firmware settings, which is kind of the modern version of a BIOS, and click restart. And of course, once you're in the BIOS, you're not going to be able to use your mouse anymore. You're going to have to use your arrow keys. You want to go to the boot sequence, and I've already moved it, but when you do this, the SSD, the M.2 SSD that you install is probably going to be lower down the order. You want to bump it up to the top, or at least definitely above the eMMC drive, and then make sure you save your changes and exit. Now, if you still have issues, hold on a second here, F10. I didn't change anything. I'll say no anyway. Sorry, I'm working in a dark room. Okay. That's going to go ahead and restart, and I'll show you. So if it's once it boots up, you want to see if it's still booting from the eMMC or if it's booting from the SSD. So I'll show you that in a second.